It looks like our tiny tarts are almost ready to come out of the oven. We're going to check and see how well they've cooked. Well, these look like they're about done. As you can see, the filling did puff up quite a bit. So we want to take these out and place them on a cooling rack, being very careful not to touch either the pan or the oven with your hands. We don't want anyone to get burned. That the edges of the pastry cups are nicely golden brown, which is the color that we're going after. You can see where some of them were a little bit fuller than others, but for the most part they stayed well within their filling, which is good. Now, after they've been taken out of the oven, we want to let them cool down for a couple of minutes before taking them out of the muffin tins. After we take them out of the muffin tins, you want to let them cool completely before you can store them. If you're going to serve them later on the day, you still want to let them cool down most of the way before anyone tries to eat them, because the filling is going to be super hot. If you're going to store them, make sure that they are cooled completely so that there isn't any condensation in the storage container. And with that, it looks like these are about ready to be eaten.